Alright guys, as the rain comes down here, I'm just going to demonstrate the Autel MD808 Pro kit. It's a genuine kit at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'll put the link in the description and the comments box below. We're in a Toyota here, and we have the airbag warning light showing on the dashboard there. So I'm going to click on to plug the tool in the diagnostic port. I'm going to click on to scan, and I'm going to go through and select our vehicle. And it's really just to give you a basic idea of how the tool works, and just a quick demonstration of the tool. Simply just diagnosing the airbag fault and resetting the airbag fault and the warning light on the dashboard. We found, well, the airbag light came on. We previously diagnosed this and we found a fault with the connection underneath the driver's seat, which we have put back together, but obviously the airbag light is still on. So what I'm going to do now is just really show you the scanner diagnosing the fault, so showing you how to get the fault codes, and then also we'll go through the process of erasing the fault codes, and hopefully that should erase the airbag warning light as well. That's the airbag warning light there. So we're just establishing a connection with the vehicle. Depending on the vehicle, sometimes it happens really quickly, sometimes it takes 30 seconds or so. This tool is generally quite quicker than this. On this Toyota Yaris here, it's generally quite slow. So I'm not really sure the exact reason behind that, but generally other vehicles, everything else we've tested it on, has been so much quicker. So we're just selecting our unit here. So we want to go to SRS airbag. Read codes. Again, it's just taking a little while longer. There we go. B1821 we have. Open inside squib. So that's the fault code we were getting. And that's basically what told us to look underneath the driver's seat, or the squib for the driver's side. And now we'll go on to erase codes, and we'll click yes. When I click yes, just keep an eye on the airbag light on the dashboard there. There we go. Erase done, and the airbag light is gone. So it's all thanks to the Autel MD808 Pro. Covers all systems, all vehicles, in most makes and models in any case. The genuine kits, there are clone and fake units on the market. Unfortunately, we only stock 100% genuine units direct from the Autel factory. So it's Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. As I say, I'll put the link to this kit in the description below this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.